my dear students. So, in the last class, we had already started the things related to economics. And what did we discuss? Yes, we started off with scarcity, economic activities. Then we also talked about what the scarcity is leading to. So, here we will be discussing something in detail. In economics, we know that mainly it deals with production, exchange and consumption. Now, what is production? Mainly we know that making of things where the producers are engaged in. The next important problem which comes is about exchange of goods. Now, when we are producing the goods has to be given to someone, isn't it? Yes, there comes exchange. Next one is consumption. Now, we, the people who buy the commodities, we call them as the consumers. Mainly we can see that in the economy, the three important activities which takes place is production of the goods, exchanging it off and consumption. And we know that the next important thing which comes up as we discussed in the last class, it is related to scarcity of resources. Now, as I had told you, the wants are unlimited. But what is limited? Yes, the resources are limited. So, what we have to do or what we come across? Yes, we come across scarcity. Now, when scarcity of resources arise, what is the next thing coming up? Yeah, it is the choice. Now, we have to make a choice. As I told you in the last class, we will be having a limited amount of money with us, and with that money, we will have to buy all the things that we need. So, there comes up choice. Now, our main thing is that how we are going to use this scarce resources. That is the main thing in front of us. How we are going to make use of the thing in a proper manner according to our demand. And we can see that in the economy, always there arises some or the other problems. Now, as I told you, the main important concepts are production, exchange and consumption. So, here we can see that there arises some problems also in the economy, and that are the problems that which we are going to discuss today, mainly the central problems of the economy. So, what are the central problems of the economy? The central problems of the economy is what, how and for. The first one, what to produce or what is produced. That is the first problem that the economy faces. As I told you, the resources are scarce. So, what is produced? That means what we have to produce. What is important? Whether food is important, clothing is important or the luxurious items are important. That is what we have to take care of. So, the first problem is what is produced or what to produce. Next comes the next important problem, that is how. How are these goods produced? As I told you, whether it is food items or clothing or luxurious items, how these goods are going to be produced. As I told you from the very beginning, the resources are scarce. So, what we have to do? We have to make use of this scarce resources in a better and proper manner. So, the next most important problem in front of us is how. How we are going to produce or how are these goods produced. And the next important or the next central problem that we face in the economy is for whom. For whom we are going to produce. Is it for me? Is it for you? Is it for someone else? Or we are only having 2 or 3 people in the society? No. We have a big population in front of us and we are going to produce for this population. Now, who needs what? What is needed by whom? These are the questions which comes in front of us. So, when we talk about the central problems of the economy, the 3 main problems that comes in front of us is what is to be produced, then how are this going to be produced and for whom is this goods going to be produced. So, these are the 3 important or the central problems of an economy. Thank you.